Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add body movement effects to your video on TikTok. So select your clip and go to effects, and you are going to find motion. Here you can apply a lot but not like at the same time. So like for instance, you want sparkles on the first few seconds, so click on it for a few seconds, and then you want to change it to, for instance, shapes. You can do that, and then you want to end it with wings. You can also do that, and once you're done, you're just going to press save, and that is basically it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!